Hi. You're watching Ruth Getting Things Done, and you're gonna watch me arch my eyebrows for the first time by myself. This will be a basic tutorial based on how I arch my eyebrows. And it's my first time. This is my very first time ever arching my eyebrows by myself. So remember, this is a tutorial, my very first time. I'm learning with you guys, so please don't laugh at me. First thing first, I'm going to use a spoolie to basically brush my eyebrows upward so I can get a smooth look. Then I'm going to use alcohol with my cotton belt, and I'm going to wipe the excess oil. Now I'm going to use this archer here that I purchased at my local beauty supplies hair store for 25 cents. So I bought like four for $1. And then I'm just going to basically just make the eyebrow thinner. So I'm not trying to have any arch or anything. I'm just going to remove some excessive hair that has grown since I did micro threading back in October. So we're in March. So the last time I did anything to my eyebrows was back in October. So that was a long time ago. We're gonna try this eyebrow first, and then we'll see the results. And after this one, we're gonna do this one. This is the most I would risk it. I took some out, but I think I should have took more from the bottom and leave the top alone. So tell me what you think, because I'm a harsh critique of myself. Like, I critique myself too harshly. I would hate it, other people would love it. So let me know what you think, because I'm done. I'm not doing anything else to it. I do not want to mess it up more. I'm already bleeding over here. So try to avoid that. I didn't even go so hard. So definitely be careful if you're trying this by yourself for the first time like I am doing. I critique myself too hard. It's probably not a big deal, but let me know. Please leave a comment in the bottom and let me know if I did a good job or not. Or do I have to keep putting makeup on it till it goes out? And then get it professionally done, like how I've been doing lately. Well, before. Thank you for watching Ruth Getting Things Done. Don't forget to comment below. I want to hear any comments. Just tell me something. And don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button so that every time I upload something, you guys are the first to know. Thank you for watching me.